Okay, we want to talk about the actual evacuation route. You may notice to my left and on your screen to your right, an exit door. All exit doors are to give the employee the route of to, through, and away from the building. Now you may notice in this particular factory here, if you were inspecting this exit route, the route is blocked, and that's illegal. Should OSHA come in, they can cite you for this. You can't get out very easily because we have so much minutia in the way. Also, above the exit door, in any exit door, there's supposed to be an actual exit sign, and in this factory, there's not an exit sign. So another citation. These citations could be as much as $14,000 each, which with these two citations would be $28,000. So my tip to you is to keep all your exit routes clear at all times and a clear path of travel to, through, and away from the exit for all of your employees in the event of an emergency.